In this help video, we're going to cover the last three tabs where the button in that tab that starts this video is in the data portal. We're going to cover the location first. In the booking area, when you added the client's address, you added the address and it's automatically added to this location tab, so that if you had to go deliver or pick up something at a client location, that information would be in here, and you could gain directions by getting directions to the actual site where you want to pick it up or deliver the item. As far as the Get Location or Find Location tab, this does much the same, where you add the address manually and it will find the location and give you the directions again to a find location. The data portal as it's shown here has a little bit of a help to explain how to use the data portal. And in addition to using the data portal, the directions indicate that you use a insert URL, go to URL, or an insert a graphic directly into the screen. So for example, if I wanted to take something either from the hard drive, I can insert a picture and it would go out to the hard drive to allow you to insert a picture from anywhere on the hard drive. You can insert a quick time movie, a sound, or insert a file. Now be aware that insert a file will give you a link to a file unless you have a PDF version of Adobe Illustrator's PDF reader, which is the full version. Then it will allow you to pop up and read any PDF that you assign to this. And then you can export the field contents also to another location. Now this may vary depending on the device. For example, the whole reason for having the data portal is if you wanted to take items off of the internet and you paste in a URL to an actual site, or you paste in a copy of an image from a website, that copy of that image where it says copy image URL would be pasted in here. Then if you click insert from URL, it will insert the image from that website. If this was a website URL and you clicked on go to URL, then it would go to that website. And then there's a place to put notes here about what you've actually done on this screen. As you'll see here, for this particular client, this is a scrolling portal, so you can add many different pages of information in here for this particular client. What kind of information would you like to put in here? Well, you might want to take in anything that the client brings you in for information or you send out to them. For example, if they send you emails, you can copy and paste the email into this screen so you have a copy of the data that they gave you in an email. And this is backup for information that you may want to store or keep at your location. Now, the data portal also has what is called a read larger screen, and so data portal large view will take you to a screen where you see a full page view of whatever image that you pasted in either from a website or directly from the hard drive. This same screen has all the same attributes where you can open a website or paste in a URL for a picture or insert the picture and keep the same information that was on the other screen in this location as well. So this is kind of a very handy thing to do as far as managing information and keeping data. Like I said, you can also copy either a Word document and paste it directly in here as text, or you can take a PDF and make a page-by-page copy and paste that in here. Now I do want to point out that there is an option to improve or customize this application where you would take, in conjunction with the invoice, you could have 1, 2, 3, 4 pages of a contract, and the contract would work similar to this, where you could paste in or type in a text document with the information for your rental, either license or contract, whatever you want to do as far as that page is concerned. That is an add-on to this application. Now, if you want to remove, because this is a portal, you can delete the individual records. Now, you would not do that or try to do that on the other screen we just left, because, and let's go over to booking. In the booking under the data portal, you would not want to remove the entire record here. You would only want to do that for the portal record on this side, to remove that individual record or whatever's in this particular place. Because removing or trying to delete this screen will try to delete all of the records in here, and you don't want to do that. Okay, that would take care of the application for using the data portal. But remember also, if you're on the server, to submit or cancel depending on what you want to do as far as retaining the information so that it will remain on the server. Thank you for taking this tour.